Unless you're living in Australia right now, you'll probably be in winter, and as you know, in the winter your car's gonna get filthy. And if you park under a tree like me, it's gonna be covered in shit. So to start things off, I'm gonna rinse it down with this K-Series Karcher Jet Wash. Okay, so this next item I've got is actually what's going to make the biggest bit of difference. So not just using a pressure washer, but actually using a snow foam lance. This is the MJJC one, which has loads of bits. I've not used it before. We're going to see how this goes. So to go with it, I've also bought some snow foam that's meant to go in these sort of lances. This one is from Infinity Wax. Never used it before, no idea if it's good or not. It says advanced cleaning, power foam, snow foam. Hopefully it does the job. So it took a little bit of fiddling around, but I eventually figured out how to take the attachment off this. You have to push it in, twist, comes out, and then this attachment is the exact same end piece as that. So it fits perfectly into the Karcher K-Series jet washers. So you just push that in and twist. That's there on there, and then all I have to do is put this on, and there we go. I don't know why I've done this with the bottle on the bottom. So take that off, and then all I need to do now is take this inside and fill it up with the snow foam stuff. So just to test it out, first of all, I filled the bottle with just normal water so that I can get used to the settings, twiddle around with them and figure out what works best. Look at that pure face of concentration. Now it's time to add the product.
Right, I got a jug because I thought they would be more precise than the little bits on here. They're quite, you probably can't even see it, they're quite hard to read, the actual measurement parts on here. So I'm going to do 450 mils of water to 50 mils of solution of cleaning product. And stop. There we go, that looks about 450 to me. So 450 of water. I mean, I don't think it has to be this exact. It's maybe just the chemist in me coming out slightly. Hopefully there is a 50 mil on here. No, there's not. The lowest it goes is 100. So I'm just going to eyeball it. Should be good. Okay, here goes. So 50 mils is going to be about halfway up that line. So maybe I should have shaken the bottle a little bit before, but I'm sure it's fine. Put all of this in. So get all of that goodness in there. But I think that is going to be us ready to go. Glue that on nice and tight. Give it a good shake up. Last thing I want to do as well is spray the cat with foam. I hear him. There he is. Right. Let's not spray the cat with foam. There you go. So starting at the bottom. Maybe I sprayed a bit too much for too long. It's not the thickest of foam, so what I'm going to try and do is see if I twist the dials on the top to let more product out and see if we get a better result. Shake up. Let's try again. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. That is a thick foam that I'm looking for.
This next part is satisfying.
So in addition to this other stuff I've got, I also bought this really cheap kit off eBay, which came with some like very cheap stuff, but the thing I wanted out of it was not this tiny little... What I mainly bought it for was a set of what they called like detailing brushes. I don't want to leave the suds on too long, but in certain places with the detailing brush, I just want to get in there like that, into the little nooks and crannies. So I could go through and do all these little bits, but it is bits like the badge and getting in those grooves. It's about getting like these little bits done. Now, in this part of the boot, it does get super grimy, but this bit in particular gets real grimy. You can see how dirty that is. Because you can see it's just where the water sits, that's why the foam's sat in here. All of the bits. These brushes are great. The normal attachment back on, I'm going to work from the bottom up to make sure I get everything off. This was my first ever time using a snow lance, and I have to say I think it went pretty well. Considering I didn't even touch the car physically, it's looking pretty damn good. So maybe this has encouraged you to go out and buy your very own snow foam lance. I definitely do recommend it. Before you go, what I'd really like to ask is that if you could please subscribe. I'm only a small channel, so every subscriber makes a huge difference. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next video.